Welcome to this video where you will learn how to avoid common grammar mistakes while writing work emails. Here is an email from a bank employee to a customer. Dear Anil, this is in reference to current account 1001-520-21012. We have received request to close the account of Shine Glow Private Limited. However, there is mismatch in the signatures submitted by customer. Ask them to come to branch with ID proof. Regards, Gayatri. Did you notice any mistakes in this email? To avoid these mistakes in this video, we will learn about the articles a and an. A is used before a noun which does not begin with a, e, I, o and u. For example, a locker, a checkbook and a passbook. An is used before a noun or word that begins with a vowel or vowel sound. For example, an ATM, an email, an idea, an officer, and an umbrella. The vowel U is an exception. For words such as umbrella, it makes an A sound, so we write an umbrella. For words like uniform or university, it makes a Y sound, which is a consonant sound. So we write a university and not an university. A and an can be used for only single objects. For example, a form or an audit. When there is more than one of the same kind, do not use a or an. For example, a forms is wrong. Use forms. Do not use a or an when you talk about a specific person, place, brand or thing like Jay, India, Axis Bank or Cadbury, where the first letter of their name is written in capital. For example, a Jay, an India, an Axis Bank or a Cadbury is incorrect. Always use a or an for one noun. For example, I am a manager or he is an officer. I am manager or he is officer is incorrect. The is used to talk about a specific person, animal or thing. For example, Jay took the documents to the branch office. In this sentence, Jay took a specific set of documents to the branch office. So we use the documents. The is used to talk about things that are unique. For example, use the sun and not a sun when talking about it. Similarly, there is only one head office. Use the head office and not a head office. The is also used to talk about more than one noun of the same kind. For example, the reports are ready or get me the files. This sentence means the manager is asking for all the files. Let us look at the difference between using a, an and the. Give me a file means the manager is asking for any file. Get me the red file means that the manager is asking for a particular file which is red in color. Now that you know the usage and how to write articles correctly, let us look at the email sent by the bank employee and correct it. Since you are writing about a specific current account, use the current account. Add a before request to write about specific instructions. Add a before mismatch and the before customer to write the sentence correctly. We hope you have now understood how to avoid errors related to articles in your work emails.